In this video, we'll go over how to use CRM filters to segment and sort leads effectively so you can focus your efforts where they matter most. By the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of how CRM filters can help you target the right leads and organize your workflow better. Plus, I'll be sharing a special offer for a free trial of the CRM software we'll be using today, so stick around. Let's start with why you should use CRM filters to segment and sort your leads. CRM filters allow you to categorize your leads based on specific characteristics such as demographics, purchase behavior, or engagement level. This lets you prioritize your leads and tailor your follow-up efforts accordingly. Instead of manually sifting through a giant list of contacts, CRM filters automate the process and streamline your lead management. Now let's dive into how to actually use those filters. The first thing you need to do is log into your CRM software. Once you're in, navigate to the leads or contacts section. This is where all of your current leads are stored. Next, find the filter options. In most CRM systems, you'll have the ability to apply filters based on a variety of criteria. For example, you can filter by location, lead status, or even custom tags that you've set up. If you're using our software, you'll see a simple menu of filters right at the top of your lead dashboard. For a quick example, let's say you want to segment your leads by their engagement with your emails. You can select filters like opened email or clicked link and create a list of leads who have shown interest. This is useful if you want to follow up with leads who are already somewhat familiar with your offer, but haven't taken the next step. You can then send them a more targeted email or schedule a call. Another common filter is by lead status. This allows you to sort leads who are in different stages of your sales pipeline, whether they're new, in progress, or closed. Sorting by status helps you keep track of where each lead stands and how much attention they require. Don't forget about using filters based on custom fields. Let's say you've added a field for budget or company size. Using filters to segment leads by these attributes can help you understand their needs and how ready they are to make a purchase. When you apply filters, it's important to remember that you can combine multiple criteria. For example, you might want to sort by location and budget, or by lead status and industry. Using multiple filters together helps narrow down your list to the most relevant leads, saving you time and focusing your efforts. Now, before you start setting up your own filters, remember, it's not just about sorting your leads, but also about making your follow-ups more personalized and effective. CRM filters make your communication more targeted and less generic, which increases the chances of converting leads into customers. The key takeaway here is that CRM filters are essential for segmenting and sorting your leads effectively, ensuring that you prioritize the right people and give them personalized attention. By understanding and applying filters like engagement level, lead status, and custom fields, you can significantly improve your lead management process. To quickly recap, start by accessing your CRM, then use filters based on engagement, lead status, and custom fields to segment and sort your leads. This will allow you to focus on the most promising leads and improve your follow-up strategy. Lastly, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to follow along and try out the CRM software we used in this video. It's a great opportunity to test out all the powerful features and see the difference it makes in managing your leads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.